Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw Solana from BullX. All you have to do is open your BullX and go to the wallet manager over here. Once you go to the wallet manager, all you have to do is go to the withdraw option and choose Solana. So as you guys can see that the wallet now can be added into my BullX. So all I have to do is to go to the withdraw token and select from the wallet. I have to select the currency, the amount that I want to transfer, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.